Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's May 13th. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. Another week here. Today's kind of a light day. We don't have any economic news scheduled for today. Tomorrow we got the small business index, and then it starts taking off a little bit on Wednesday. We'll get Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be a bit more packed in terms of economic data being released, whereas last week it was pretty light the whole week. So let's kind of jump in here to see how the uh, news is. And basically, stock market, excuse me, the stock market is way down. Dow is way down, way more than it's down like 500, more than 500 so far this morning. And what is it? Kind of like last week. So we got trade tensions between the U.S. and China uh, are heightening a bit more. As you recall, last Friday, U.S. went ahead and placed 25% tariffs, raising it from 10 to 25% on $200 billion dollars of US, China's goods. China came back and raised the tariffs on $60 billion dollars of U.S. coming in there. So, uh, and then now U.S. is talking about raising basically the remaining of Chinese goods coming in at 325 billion, also up to 25. So it'll be basically 25% across the board of all Chinese goods coming into the U.S. Now, China really doesn't have. I mean, there is a huge discrepancy of what comes in and what comes out. Of what obviously they ship a lot more to us, as you can tell, 200 billion compared to 60 billion. Uh, differences between the two, but they're thinking of other ways on how they can retaliate. And one of the things that they could retaliate is strategically dumping U.S. Treasuries. They are one of the largest suppliers in holders of our debt, and that if they just dump that onto the markets, that could obviously disrupt those markets as well, quite a bit. So that's something we definitely want to keep our eyes on, and that could definitely hurt the markets here. Let's take a look here further at the bond markets. Speaking of such, we're up 9 basis points so far this morning. It's well coupled with last week's. I would say rates are a little bit better today. We'll have a slight improvement on our rates today, so that's obviously a good sign here for those who are looking to buy or refinance. Here's the yields treasuries have come down a bit further, down to about 2.41 if you round upwards. And that's the news today. So tomorrow again we'll have the small business index, and then most likely we haven't seen the last of this trade tensions between China and U.S. So this is probably what's going to continue lingering, and what's going to drive the markets is the trade spats. All right, but we did get a little bit of improvement in our rates today, so that's a good sign. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.